M0FXB, welcome to my channel, and we are learning Morse code, and today it is the letters U and V. So U, did it da, did it da, did it da. Listen to the sound and the rhythm. Close your eyes and just listen to the sound. Imagine you're in front of your radio and you're just hearing the sound. You can't see the dots and dashes. Let's move on to V. Dit 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 da, dit 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 da. Listen to the sound and the rhythm. Dit 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 da. Made famous by a certain music piece. Dit 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 da. So V, dit 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 da. Hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. 7-3, catch you on air. All the best.